130 horsepower live foaming engine, specially tuned for aerobatic flying. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Patty Wagstaff going in to a rolling 360-degree turn. It looks pretty darn easy, but it is one of the most difficult maneuvers because you must hold your altitude all the way through this. And every time you roll the airplane, it wants to drop a little bit. But she holds her altitude beautifully, coming out at the same altitude that she started at and lining herself right up with the show line. She'll do the whole 360-degree turn. And then do rolling inside to outside, alternating back and forth. As I said, these people make it look easy, but this is tough stuff. This is a day's work. A one-quarter turn climbing straight up. Doesn't matter how much power you got, it won't go up forever. She holds it right on the prop, and at the very last minute kicks that rudder, and down it comes. Rotates the airplane 3/4 of a turn this time to put herself back on the shoreline. Again, into a tight 360-degree turn. Back down now, lining himself up with the show line. Maneuvers more clearly. Step back again, airplane going up, and he rotates the airplane a full 360 degrees as he climbs, and again, doesn't matter how much power you got, they don't go up forever. Here he comes back down through the smoke. They call that, ladies and gentlemen, the torque roll, where you take the airplane up as high as it will go straight up and just hang it on the propeller, and the airplane just continues to turn on the torque of the engine. Eddie Andreini, a great air show performer for many, many years. And this time when Eddie goes up, he'll get to the top of a half loop. He'll roll the airplane over and change direction all at the same time. Now, on the outside once again, the canopy on the outside of this half loop. Lots of power needed because he's got to go up the other side. Will he have enough power to push it up? Oh, that's hard to do.